Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will learn how different operators work together to form expressions in C++. We will also understand how C++ evaluates these expressions using precedence and associativity. So here comes a recap about operators and expressions. An operator performs an operation while an expression combines variables, constants, and operators to produce a single value. Every calculation and decision in C++ program is based on expressions. Here is the categories of expressions. C++ provides several categories of operators including arithmetic, relational, logical, bitwise assignment and special operators. Next comes the arithmetic operators. So here is the example of arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are plus, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus operators. And here are the examples for each of the operator. Next is integer versus floating division. When both operands are integers, C++ removes the decimal part. To obtain an accurate decimal result, at least one operand should be of type double or float. Next, we move on to relational operators. Here, relational operators compares two values and returns either true or false. Here are the various relational operators: equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to, followed by the examples. Next comes the logical operators. Here it combines the multiple conditions. There are three logical operators: and, are, and not. And here is the truth table for and, are, and examples. Followed by bitwise operator. Unlike logical operators, bitwise operators works directly on binary representation of numbers. They are mainly used in system level programming. And, are, XOR, not, shift operators or various type of bitwise operators. And here are the examples for the various bitwise operators being displayed. Next comes the assignment and increment operators. So there are various the compound assignment operators are used, which is equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to. All these are the various compound assignment operators, followed by the shortened and equivalent expansions and examples here. Increment and decrement operators are also there. C++ supports increment decrement operators. This increases or decreases the values of the variable by 1. The position of the operator determines whether the update happens before or after the value is used. Postfix or increment, the current value is used first and then increased. In prefix increment, the value is incremented before it is used. Next comes the expressions. Expression combines operands and operators to produce single result. Expressions may be arithmetic, relational, logical, or assignment expressions. Here are the various types of expressions. And next comes the operator precedence. When multiple operators appears in an expression, C++ follows precedence rules. Operators with a higher precedence are evaluated first. Here is the precedence table. Parenthesis overrides the default precedence and makes expressions easier to read always. And here is the ternary operator. The condition is verified. If the condition is true, the first part of the expression value is set, else the second part value is set. Here comes the size of and comma operator. Size of is used to find the size of any data type. Here are the common mistakes. So common mistakes include confusing assignments and with comparisons, expecting decimal results from integer division, ignoring operator precedence, using parentheses can eliminate most of these errors. Here is a quick recap. So to summarize, we have learned arithmetic, relational, logical, bitwise, assignment operators along with expressions, precedence and associativity. And in this lecture, we have explored how operator works together to build expressions and how C++ evaluates them. Thank you.